Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today my aim is to let you know my long-term analysis for the Alibaba stock. As you can see, ticker BABA. Now this is the daily time frame that we're looking at. It's a long-term time frame. As you can see, we had that top in 2020 and now we're trading around the $80 area. Now I think what's very interesting here is this has had a huge downfall. However, I see that it's forming this base here. So as you can see, um, just change my tool. So as you can see in this part, you can see this as a huge base, and it's called the accumulation phase. And I think it's important to take an advantage of it. So what I'm going to do now is go down to the lower time frames and let you know how I trade with shares. This is mainly shares trading and not options trading. So either you can go long shares or short shares. And coming up here is the 2 hour time frame. Now, as you can see, there's no need for any moving averages or any other indicators as such. What's important for you is to just look at the price action and then predict where the highest probability for the stock is to go. So as you can see, we have the 2 hour time frame and you can see a clear level here that is trying to hold. And I have my drawings, I'll turn them on in a bit, but you can see this area here is clear area of support because it bounced once, twice, thrice, and then again after losing it, it came up, and then again you can see it had a nice bounce. So this 80 area is a level of interest, and at the moment we can see it is trading around that area. So the risk to reward is really great for this trade, I would say. Um, so what I mean by that is if we fall under the 80 area, the 79, the 78 area, we can give some room for the stock to go down and then we can cut our losses. But I think this is a good area that could turn to support, and you can see we can get a nice long run at least up till the 122 area, and then you can leave some trail ons to take it forward. So now bringing in the 200-day moving average and the drawings that I did. So as you can see, the black line here is the 200-day moving average, and these are the various levels that I've come up with. So this level right here is the major long-term level. Um, you can move it around the 78, 79 area, as you can see. As you can see, we had some support here, and then we got a quick support here as well. So definitely this is the area that I'm looking out for. And that's the way it should be. Every shares trading that you do should be associated with a level of supply and demand. So as you can see, I've only looked at the daily time frame and the 2 hour time frame. What's important is to not be too bothered about the 15-minute and lower time frame. So basically you don't want to look at this every day and cut losses and stuff like that. So I think you could also start with the 1 hour time frame, but ideally 2 hour time frame is where you want to get started. So once you get into Baba here, what you could do is give it some room for stop loss. If it goes below it, well, okay, just cut your losses and then we move on. And what you can do here is for when it starts trending up, which is the most probable thing that this is going to do, what you want to do is start taking your profits and let some of the runners run up. So the first area of profit target would probably be 97. Take some off here because you can see it was resistance before, and then the second area would be the 110. All right, so my plan is to get you more such videos for the stock shares trading, and yeah, there's some futures trading that I do as well, which I want to get into later, but right now I just want to keep it simple with shares trading. All right, cheers guys, thank you for watching.